Hello everyone, welcome to Hans' Creations. Today I'm going to show you how to make your own MacBook Pro, desk, mouse, and chair. These are all the items I'm going to show you how to build. The mouse, the MacBook Pro, the chair, and the desk. Let's start with building the desk. These are the pieces you need to build the desk. 4 2x2 bricks, 8 1x1 snot bricks, 1 6x4 plate, 1 2x4 plate, 1 big jumper plate, 4 big small jumper plates, 1 2x4 tile, 2 1x4 tiles, 2 1x2 tiles, and 4 1x1 tiles, and a 2x2 spinning thingy. Let's build. Ta-da! Now let's build the chair. These are the pieces you need to build chair. You need 1 2x2 plate, 2 2x2 rounded plate, 4 grilled pieces, 4 1x2 grappling pieces, 2 bar pieces, 2 1x2 bar pieces, and 1 stud. Let's build. The back can move flexibly. Ta-da! Now, let's build the MacBook Pro and the mouse. These are the pieces you need to build the MacBook Pro and the mouse. You need one 2x4 plate, one 1x4 plate, two 1x2 plates, two 1x1 plates, one 1x2 grappling piece, one 1x2 bar piece, one 2x4 tile, three 1x4 tiles, one smooth slope, and one stud. Let's build. Notice how this thing's flexible. Ta-da! Now we have all four of them. Let's put them together. First, we take the computer and put it right on this, so it spins. You take your mouse and then put it right on there. You take the chair and put it right in front. Now you just take a minifigure and put him on the seat right there, on the studs. You can play with the keyboard yourself too. Ta-da! If you like it, please like and subscribe. Bye!